stopped at this rest stop. It's got kind of a cool Lincoln monument. We're gonna go check that out. I guess it got pretty cool out here.
It is chilly. It is chilly.
Oh, let me step out.
You're gonna be cold in flip-flops.
Nostrils. I'm even looking up his nostrils.
We're still heading towards the Tetons, and we are behind an oversized load, which I'm going to flip it in a minute. The tires are enormous. There they are. Yes, and of course, I'm just going to pass. Oh my goodness gracious. Is unusual to try to zoom in on the layering on that mountain. Yeah, since we've turned off of 80, the road condition has been different. We have gone miles and have not seen anyone come this way. That wasn't a camper. It's kind of nice to see people once in a while. Wyoming is so vast. This is a real treat to see this state. Decided to make a stop on 287 on our way to the Tetons, and this is a national location. It's called Split Rock. I see him way up there.
Yeah, they're crossing the road. There's a couple of them.
Yeah, I see it.
Slow down.
There he is. He just crossed.
There's no one behind us. Then they come across us and scratch his head.
Oh, there's one up there. See? Yeah, there's a family. Hi, we just made it to the Holiday Inn parking lot in Lander, Wyoming. This is the first time we're doing stealth parking for the night. It was a long drive. There were many spans of not seeing anyone for miles and miles and miles. No gas stations, no sign of life other than a deer actually being so close to your car while you're driving, or something that resembled an elk in the middle of the road. So it was a little bit of a stressful for me. I'm not accustomed to living in the country with nobody around, so that's not my comfort zone. I like to stretch out of it, which I did do today. What do you say, Linda? Do you have anything to add?
There's nobody here. In here, we're right by the grass. Ozzy needs to go. So it just seems like a great spot. We're gonna give it a shot. I don't think anybody will bother us here, but if they do, we'll let you know.
Good night.